Hello everybody, welcome to Nigel's little video of what I'm doing. So this is the number plate that come with my scooter and I'm wanting to put that one on, but the holes are different. So obviously I struggle with my eyesight, so I have to do things a bit different. So bear with me please. So I need to find the centre of this, which is here, and I use my square to put a line down like that. That's the centre. Okay, and then this is a depth gauge, depth tool that I made when I was 16 as an apprentice. So I'm going to use this. I've already set this at the right depth to save you watching me actually mess about with it. So I've now got a centre line. I've got a depth from the top because I need to drill here, and I'm trying not to screw into the writing. So I shall put a line across here. Like that. So I need to have the old centres of that on here. So it's 95mm hole centre, so that's 47.5. So I've now got to measure 47.5. Now this is going to be very difficult for me, but hopefully I can just about do it. So 47.5 is 95, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, so that's measured there, and let's just see if it's about right. Yeah. So I've now got to centre pop this with the centre pop so my drill doesn't run off, like that and like that. Hopefully the drill won't run off now. So let's have a look at this. Oh, right, that's what I need to do. I need to G-clamp this so it doesn't spin off. Let's see if I can see that now and feel that. I can feel it, I think. That's one hole. Fingers crossed these are going to be right. Now I've drilled it. So this is an old Oldsmobile registration plate, back plate from an American car. So I think hopefully it might look pretty good. So let's get me. Right, I've got my screws and screwdriver. So fingers crossed. Look at that, absolutely bang on, absolutely. So get that screwed on, because I'm out tomorrow for my first big ride. I'm going to go to Mablethorpe, which is 4 miles away, and that's 8 mile an hour scooter top speed, so hopefully it's going to take me just over half an hour. So it's my first big ride on my scooter. So I hope that's looking good. So like I say, I've got a few tools here. Got a micrometer for measuring the size of the drill and everything. So, well, I think that looks pretty cool to me. Okie dokie. Bye.